Hi guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to resize a passport and also how to duplicate it in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So first of all, once you have your image, like the passport image you want to duplicate, first of all come to where you have your crop tool. Just click on the crop tool. So after clicking on the crop tools, the next thing for you to take note of is just to go to where you have your ratio right here. So clicking this ratio, you don't click any of this orientation right here. So you just click on just the ratio, then you come right to this point and you type this number in 3 5 on this first box right here. So the second you type 4 5. So once you do this, you have actually resize the passport, the perfect passport. So the next thing for you to do is to duplicate it to like 8 copies to 14 copies. So on this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate it to 8 copies. So the next thing for you to do is to come to where you have your file right here. You click on where you have your file. Once this open, you come to where you have your new document right here. You just click on the new document. So after clicking on the new document, this is going to show like the new document. So you come to where you have your width and your height. So come to this orientation, put it on landscape. So after that, you come to your width, just make sure you type 6 to the width, and the height you type 4 to it. So on my resolution, I like using 300 for the resolution. Then for this, make sure you click on pixels and inch, and for the color mode, RGB color, then I'll be using 8-bit. And for the background, I need it white, and color profile, don't color manage, and all of that. So once all of these settings is being checked on your own, make sure you follow these settings I use right here. So once it's being checked, you click create. So after creating, let me just change this to the move tool. So after creating the new document, this is actually how it's going to appear. So to continue, I'll come right to this my passport right here, then I'll duplicate it. Then after duplicating, I'll drag it to my new document. So after taking it to my new document, I need to resize it for it to fit. So I'm just going to press my keyboard Command T. If you're using a window, Control T to transform it. So after transforming it, I'm now going to resize it to make it smaller. So to make it smaller, I'll just come, then I'll zoom it in by just clicking my Command and plus key. So I'm just going to take this right in, then I'll resize it again. I'll make it smaller. So after resizing it, I'll click OK. So I'll come to this passport I dragged from this image right here down there. Then I'll take it to this point for it to duplicate it and make it 2. So after duplicating it, make sure you're on the move tool right here, and I'll just drag it out again. So after dragging it out, make sure it's on your straight line with the first one that was here. So I'll now use the arrow on the keyboard to make it closer a bit. I'll just take it closer like this. So once I'm done with this first duplicating the face 2, I'll come right here, then I'll highlight the 2 passport image right here. So after it, I'll just position it well. Then from these 2, I'm now going to drag it still to this like this sign right here to duplicate it to another 2. So after duplicating it to another 2, I'm now going to drag it, still make sure it's on a straight line. So once I'm done duplicating this 4, I'll still come back to my layer right here, then I'll also highlight these 4 right here. So after highlighting the 4, I'm just going to take this to this same arrow to duplicate. So I've duplicated the 4 again, and it's making it 8 right now. Just be careful and make sure it's on the right line. Then I'll use the arrow on the keyboard to make it closer. So once I'm done with this, you can see it's not, let me zoom out, it's not positioned well on this new document. So to position it well, I'll highlight the 8 copies which are on this. So I've highlighted the 8, then I'll also press my Command T to transform. If you're using a window, Control T to transform. I'll click on it to transform it. So after transforming it, I'll now drag it just like this for it to fit this new document I created right here. So I'm just going to do it like this. I'll just take it closer a bit. I'll use the arrow key on the keyboard to position it well. So see, it's actually on the middle. So after transforming it like this, I'll click OK. So you can see how it's looking now. It's really nice and perfect. So this is how I get to resize my passport in Photoshop. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in my next video. So stay tuned.